Hello, thank you for tuning in. My name is Tricelle. I am an adult doll collector, and this is Mama Doll Boss. Today, I just want to get this out of the way because I love this new Made to Move fashionista. So I want to give her some earrings. I purchased these at Burlington Coat Factory. They were clearance for $1, so I'm just going to get that out of the way right now. Put it in there, wiggle it right here, pop it out, and then put in the earring. Here she is with her earrings. Super easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So I did order this on Amazon. I got this for $8, and I thought it would be cute, so I'm gonna put it on the doll. This was not easy to get on, oh my goodness. But here it is, it's super cute. I love this. It velcros all the way down. So it velcros all the way down, and the hood is closed. So the doll, you could wear it up if you chose to. And it does come, it came with these long socks that I feel that would look cute with like some boots on or something like that. So I'm gonna open a mini brands to see if we could get some cute shoes for this outfit. Yeah, so today is just gonna be a random doll haul. I don't have anything in particular I'm not feeling all that well, so today is just gonna be pretty random. So we already know about the Mini Brands Collector's Guide. For those of you who have not seen it, here it is. And of course, this is the 80+ iconic minis, and these have the shoes. It's a double. So I got this bag again, and it does have the zipper. These black boots. And then you also get these earrings right here. I wish I would have tore these right, like, because what I've been doing, I got this from my Froggy stuff where you can take the bags and make a little shopping bag. And if I wouldn't have torn these, I probably could have made a shopping bag, but I tore it, so yeah. So let's do some Mini Brands books. I like to read, so I figured my dolls would like to read as well. So let's open it up. And here is the collector's guide. You do get the 40 iconic pieces here. And then they have some comment books. And then I guess bookmarks in a magnifying glass counts as another prize. And then they have legendary. The categories are legendary, iconic, luxury, ultra rare, rare, and then the common on the side here. So I'm gonna cut it neatly. So I did get Bunnicula as my first book. And if you open it up, it does have some readable pages, like the first 2 pages are readable, hence the reason for the magnifying glass. And this is really cool and cute. I love it. And these do come with shelves. And I opened one on my short right here, and you can combine them. So I'm going to, again, cut the bag neatly because I want to make bags out of these capsules. So here are the pieces for the shelves. Here are the instructions here. This is how it looks. So let's open the next one, and we're gonna cut it because I'm gonna be making bags out of these. I just need to get some matching tissue paper. Oh, and I got a hardcover one. I got the Dog Man, and I also got a bookmark. And I got the BFG. I did buy these when they were having a sale, so They're $7.99, and now they come with shelves, but you only get 3 books. So you get a shelf, 3 books, and a bookmark or a magnifying glass. Sometimes you get both, because in one of my balls I got both. But anyway, let's open this up. Yeah, I wasn't feeling that well today, so yeah, I'm gonna put this by the doll, and let's open it up. I'll put this shelf together and then come right back. All right, so here's the other shelf. The bags very neatly. And I got another bookmark and Diary of a Wimpy Kid. And I got Babysitter's Little Sister. Okay. I have the Vampire Diaries. I've read this. This is a good book. So let's open up one more. So let's open these up. And I have plenty of capsules to make chairs. So I'm going to open up the bookshelf and put that together. So here we have a bookmark. And we also got a duplicate, Diary of a Wimpy Kid. That's another bunnicula. And this is Matilda, which is not a double. Yay! So these are how the shelves look with the mini brands books in them. And then I also have some books that I purchased from AliExpress in there, as well as some books that I did craft. Again, I've mentioned this before. You can check my Froggy Stuff's YouTube page. She has tutorials on making books, and that is where I downloaded a lot of the books that I DIY'd for the bookshelf to make it look full. Let's open up this playset here. I got it on sale at Walmart. Okay, so in this playset, we do get 2 plates, one with a waffle and one with a heart-shaped egg. And then we also have two blue cups. We have a yellow pitcher, a white vase with flowers, some cereal. We also do get this cute carton of milk. We have orange juice. And then I had to put this up close. This is honey, which is adorable. And then we do get gold utensils along with these 2 cute pink chairs. I love it. And this playset does break down for easy storage. We're going to unbox these Disney Delectables here and see if these are a good size for our dolls. So let's just open it up to see what we get. So I did get the Little Mermaid Delectable, which is adorable, and it is a good size for our dolls here. Here is the collector's guide where you can see all the ones that you can get. It's so many. So let's just open them up to see what we get. So in the next one, we got Tiana. This is super cute. In the next one, we also have Daisy Duck, super adorable. We also got Goofy. We have Dumbo. And then we have Cinderella. This one, we got Mulan. We also have Stitch. Have Donald Duck right here. This is super cute. This is Minnie Mouse right here. Super cute. I only have 2 more left. So in this one we get, this is the Queen of Hearts. Adorable. And here is my last bag. and this is Snow White. And you can actually mix them up to come up with unique ones. So these are so cute. Yeah, these are good for our dolls. I'm gonna make a little ice cream shop to put these into. These are all the delectables that we unboxed today, and they look adorable. Super delicious. I am gonna start collecting durables. I said that when I got my last one from Walmart clearance. I kind of was addicted to them. So I did get all of these on sale. So let's just open them up. So these durables come in little cars. Okay. And oh, look like a little trike. I got. In fact, it is Eeyore on a tricycle. It's adorable. I think with the tricycle, it's a little bit big, but the durable is a great size for our dolls. So let's open up this one, Disney Doorables Academy. This was on sale. I got it for half off. I believe it was $5, regularly like $9.99 or something like that at Target. And you could get, it says you could get 5, 6, or 7, but I only got 5. So here is the collector's guide on here. So you get they have athletics, and then the clubs. And on this side you have faculty, student body. Okay, so it's a school thing. So let's just open them up and see what we got. Oh, this one is Dewey. And then I got Winnie the Pooh. And these are just great toys for the dolls. They really look cute. I got Kristoff from Winnie the Pooh. This is Marie. Oh, and this is Gonzo, Animal. Yeah, this is Animal. So now I'm going to open up this Disney Doorables Let's Go series. They're $40 to collect. Again, on the box it says you could collect 5, 6, or 7. You get this little card here. I'm not sure what this is. You get this little card. So I got 5 again. So let's open them up. So here is the collector's guide to this one. All right, so I got this guy right here. I'm not sure who this is. This is Rue. Oh, Ariel. Yay, I got a princess. It says his name is Rancho. Okay. Got Maribel. Okay. I said Disney Doorables make great little dolls for our dolls. So freaking cute. All right, so I also got this book off of Amazon. It was $9.99. It's the Disney Princess book. The only reason why I got it is because it's a children's book. So I have Pocahontas and Cinderella. And then here's Jasmine along with Ariel. And then we have Rapunzel, Snow White, Beautiful Tiana, Belle, and Mulan. And again, these make great dolls for our dolls. So now my dolls have the majority of all the Disney princesses, and I love it. This is the Cinderella doll that I got in my last thrift store haul, and I did clean her up. She had a lot of marks on her face, and she came with some random clothes, so I put this dress on her. I did have to repaint her lips, and until I find her Cinderella dress, this is how she's going to look, and I think she's absolutely beautiful. And then on my most recent thrift store haul, I will do a video soon. I did pick up this belle. She has a molded top, and she's beautiful. I love her face. She comes with her crown. Her hair does need to be fixed up, as you can see right here. And she didn't have any shoes, so I am going to put her some shoes on because for the most part, she looks pretty good. I did find these bead storage containers at Ross. They were $3.99. I could not find any at the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to just look through here. This is how I keep my shoes. I'm going to put her on these gold shoes to see how she looks. And here she is. I think she looks adorable. And for the most part, I am glad that I was able to rescue her from the thrift store. She looks beautiful. Thank you for joining me today. If you did like the video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also share the video. Sharing is caring. And drop a comment down below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I would love to have you in the family. And follow me on Instagram. I'm at Mama Doll Boss, and I will be having some giveaways real soon. I appreciate and love each and every one of you. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.